Hello, it's me, Amy Leesha. I am back. I'm doing another video on makeup again. This time, trying out the brand C'est Moi, aka C'est Moi. Pretty sure that's not how you say it. It's Liza Koshy's brand, not her brand. She's an ambassador of the brand. But they do have a makeup range, also have a skincare range. Was informed I probably shouldn't try that with the current state of my skin, so I have shelved that. I bought as full of a face of makeup as I possibly could. Natural, organic, tested by everyone and everything except animals. We're just gonna get straight into it. It's like first thing in the morning. I never film this early. I thought it'd be efficient, energetic, and I'm just motivated today. So I'm filming, but I have morning face. So we really just need to be quick and get something on my face to hide this situation. Maybe eye drops will help. Eyeball hydration. Woo! Is that the right way? Oh, it is. This is the back of the box. I have the box, the brand, C'est Moi. The dermatologist has said, don't change products, so I didn't buy any of the skincare. I don't know if you can see, but check out my face. I have scarring. More scarring over here. This side's so much worse. The insane craziness after the extraction is pretty well just healing up now. My skin is smooth again. I shouldn't touch it. If anything's good, apparently it's the skincare. But I figured I would try out the makeup because I haven't seen anyone else try it out and I was really curious and tried to grab as much as I could to make a full face of makeup. I think the boxing is done really well. No bubble wrap, no plastic. It's all recyclable. It's like a maze. Let me show you what this is. It's kind of like a game you'd play at Easter. It's like, where's the stuff? You have to like dig to find it. This is what I got. I have a pressed powder foundation, aspiring cheek palette, visual artist makeup crayons. Looks like Crayola crayons for your face. A lip gloss, a lip crayon, another lip crayon, an eyeliner, another face crayon, mascara, and an eyeshadow palette. Also, I did get this body shimmer lotion. I don't think I purchased that. They may have just thrown this in there, so thanks if you did. Nice little treat. Supposedly, clean ingredients, dermatologist tested, no animal testing, clinically tested, hypoallergenic, and EWG verified. What's EWG? There was a lot of testing done. Sounds legit. Packaging is really cute. I think the whole brand is targeted for a younger audience in your teens. If you're just starting out with skincare and makeup, I know when I was starting out with makeup, I didn't know what to wear, how to wear it. I used to watch YouTube videos to teach myself how to do makeup. Something like this would have been really great. This is not high priced. Being a teen, if you're buying this yourself, this is pretty affordable. Can appreciate that. There's a lot of crayons and pencils here, not a lot of face stuff. I don't think I can just live with powder on my face. Here I have the Brilliance pressed powder. Uh-oh. Feels like a regular powder. I think I can just wear powder on my face. My face is really dry. This is not gonna give me the coverage I want. I'm gonna put this over the top of something else. So I'm just gonna quickly prime my face with this spotlight. Prime my face with the Physician Spotlight Primer. I haven't used this one in a while and I really like it. I'm gonna go back to it. It's gonna give me that loomy look. Loomy look? Glowy, because it's got little flecks of glitter in it, or shimmer. I'm gonna use this It Cosmetics CC cream in shade Light. There's no concealer, so I hate it. I feel like if you're a teenager and you're just getting into makeup and your skin is starting to break out, concealer is super helpful. Powder is not good at covering blemishes. Maybe they'll come out with a concealer later on. I want to contour my nose because I love that. I know that that's kind of cheating, but I really just love contouring my nose. It's probably one of my favorite things to do. I just used the Fenty Matchstick in Amber, changed my nose contouring game. Let's use the powder in the shade Ivory. Really mattified the face. From here, I would love to bronze. We've got a cheek palette, but I don't think we have a bronzer. Now that makes me really sad because bronzer is just a necessity for me. But when I was a teen, I didn't even know what bronzer was. People don't need it, but I do. This has 3 shades to it. It has a Charisma blush shade, a Weekender blush shade, and a Spotlight highlight. I would have totally appreciated a bronzer blush highlight. I think that would have been super functional as opposed to 2 blushes. Let's just not bronze right now. Feeling fine about it. Let's go into Charisma and see what that looks like. That's a really nice subtle pink. Put a few layers on. The pigment isn't so intense that you end up with this big red splodge on your cheek. Let's try the Weekend blush. I think this is probably more of a party blush when I'm going out on the weekend. I'm gonna use my Weekend blush and that's it. I'm just gonna try the Weekend blush. That's a lot more pink. Okay, that one feels more pigmented and it's got a bit of a shimmer in it, a little bit more glowy. I'm not overly excited about this highlight because it doesn't look shiny. This Spotlight shade, I think it's supposed to be a highlight. It honestly just looks like the powder foundation. Maybe it's supposed to be super subtle. Barely highlighting anything. I don't know that it's supposed to highlight, honestly. I'm not sure what its job is, but we're using it. This Playful cheek palette offers everything you need for a healthy glow. Okay, we're looking for healthy glow, not disco ball. Probably why the Spotlight is the way it is, but it's still not highlighting. This is what it is. This is what you get. Basically, some blush. I don't feel like I'm missing anything except bronzer. So I guess we're finished with the face, but I just feel like I don't have enough products on my skin right now. I'm gonna go do my brows. Brows are done. I feel very flushed. I'll take it. Got an eyeshadow palette. Whatever your eye color, this curated neutral eyeshadow palette features 6 gorgeous flattering shades that are easy to use. That's nice. In this little thing, this is it. Wow. They are tiny. There is so much extra space. Very neutral, very basic. There is one little brown shimmer. Not overly pigmented. Let's use Compassion as a transition shade. Got a bit of pigment. Definitely more pigmented than I thought it would be, blended out well. Let's go in with Savvy. Put that in the outer corner. Wow, okay. That is so much nicer than I expected. It just glides on. Very little to no effort to get that to where I want it to be. I'm so much more impressed with this palette than I thought I'd be. I want to go over the top of that with Intuition. It's a little bit warmer and adds a little bit of a sheen. I want to go over the lid with Grace. That looks fine. That's nothing wow. I want to try and go over the top of that with Peace. This is matte, so we'll see if this looks good. And that's that. I just want a highlighter. I just want to highlight my face. I just want to highlight my lids. Just give it a pop of something. This is a very simple, basic look. I'm gonna keep it that. That eyeshadow palette performed so much better than I thought it would. I'm impressed and I will use this again. I want to maybe try out these Visual Arts makeup crayon set. Looks like a Crayola set. These are really creamy. I just don't know if I want to add them. I'm gonna go in with Rose. I hope not to ruin it. I put a little bit of black as liner. I used the white, my waterline, and I used that rose color kind of to line around the black. Isn't overly noticeable, just kind of looks like I have pink eye. I feel like the crayons are a great idea. I'm not the kind of person who's gonna use them unless on a special occasion. Let's take a look at this Felis eyeliner pencil. I'm actually in need of a new liner pencil, and so this will do the job. The Muse mascara. I'm not going to use lashes today because we're going to go for more of a natural look. This is really small and very cute. I'm going to continue by applying a different mascara because after 800 coats, you can still barely see my lashes, and that's just not my vibe. Like already, massive difference between the two. The last couple of things I have are some lip products. I've got this lip crayon in Fresh and this lip crayon in True. Fresh seems a little more nude, so I'm gonna use that one. Okay, that's nice and creamy. I really like that. I'm gonna use this all the time. I love a creamy jelly kind of a lip color that is very pigmented. This reminds me a lot of the nude Stix. This is a huge win for me. Now this kind of thing probably doesn't need a gloss over the top. I want to try the gloss, so I'm gonna use that as well. This is Reflect, super sheer. Applicator is hard to apply because not a lot's coming out. I'm gonna dab this. Okay, definitely has a really weird taste. Lip products, hands down my favorite. Ooh, also I have the Vanilla Vibes Shimmer Body Lotion. I'm gonna put that on my arms. Ooh, it smells coconutty. My arm doesn't look shimmery. I think I'm going to try and get more of their lotion because that feels so good. Oh, and I smell like summer. Makeup products are pretty good. If you're starting out with makeup, you haven't used any makeup before, I would recommend regardless of what your age. I'm gonna take my summer smelling arms and get on the treadmill. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna go. If you liked the video, give me a like down below. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram already, go follow me at Amy_Leesha. Thanks so much for watching. You guys are great, and I'm gonna go. Bye.